everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a tiramisu. This recipe is so easy to make and it just requires a little bit of an effort, but believe me, it's worth the wait. So let me show you the recipe.
The ingredients are mascarpone cheese, room temperature, egg yolks, cold heavy whipping cream, white sugar, coffee extract, vanilla, ladyfingers, and black brewed coffee, but I'm using Arabica. You could use whatever you want. The first step is, on a bain-marie, we're going to put the white sugar and the egg yolks, and we're going to whisk. We need to constantly whisk, so what I'm using is a hand mixer. That's the most easiest way, but you could use a regular whisk. We're going to mix it for 10 minutes until it's light and fluffy, and set aside until it cools completely. Then cream the mascarpone cheese and set aside. In another mixing bowl, we're going to put the cold heavy whipping cream with the vanilla and whisk until stiff peaks. You'll know when to have stiff peaks is when you lift your whisk and the cream is stuck. The fourth step is, we're going to put half of the whipped cream in the mascarpone cheese and then we're going to fold. Then we're going to put all the sugar and the egg mixture that we whisked earlier and the rest of the whipped cream and fold. It's important, you guys, that you fold. Make sure not to whisk because you don't want to deflate the whipped cream. The fifth step is, we're going to put the coffee extract with our brewed coffee and whisk. This step you could put as much as you want based on your needs. And now, time for the assembly. We're going to dip our lady fingers no more than 1 to 2 seconds and line them up. And now we're going to put half our mixture that we folded earlier and we're going to spread it out. And then repeat the same process until you run out of the lady fingers. We're looking for 2 layers of lady fingers. And last but not least, we're going to put the rest of the mixture and even it out. Make sure, you guys, that you even it out properly, because the more it looks even, the more prettier it's going to look. Then cover it in cling film.
Okay guys, so we're going to place this tiramisu in the fridge for 3 hours at least to let it rest, or preferably overnight. That's what I'm going to do. Unfortunately, this recipe requires you to let it rest for at least 3 hours, but believe me guys, it's worth it.
After letting it rest at least for 3 hours, we're going to dust it with unsweetened cocoa powder. I'm using Dutch process, but if you don't have any, you could use the regular. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like the recipe, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for the latest updates, and make sure to let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below.